Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this cute miniature bird house with the paper quilling super duper cute birds, and also I will show you how to make these handmade paper flowers for the decoration. And this is actually the fridge magnet, so you can stick this to the fridge or any metal almirah. And without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First, I'm starting with making the birdhouse base. For this, I'm taking this cardstock which measures 6 by 7.5 centimeters. And in the bottom, from left and right sides, I'm marking on 1 centimeters each. Then on the top, I'm just finding out the center, that is 3 centimeters. Then rotate the sheet and I'm marking on 2.5 centimeters on both the sides. Then all the markings are done. We have to just join these markings like this. And then I'm just creasing these two bottom markings using ball tool. And remaining two markings I will cut using scissors. Then I'm just burnishing these folds and this is done. In the same way I have prepared one more for the front side. I have just cut one circle inside this which is having 2 centimeter diameter. Then for other two sides I am taking these two panels which measures 3 by 5 centimeters, and now I am just constructing my birdhouse by joining all four parts together. And it should look like this. Then I'm just decorating it from inside using pattern paper. It's quite sturdy now. Then here I am taking this cardboard base which measures 6.5 by 3.2 centimeters. I have just joined 3 layers of cardboard together to make thick base, and I am wrapping one peach color cardstock around this. And the base is ready, and I'm going to stick my birdhouse on top of this. But before that, I'm taking this roof cardstock which measures 13 by 3 centimeters. Just add little glue on the edge of the roof and then stick the roof on top of this. Allow it to dry completely. To secure the roof more, I am just adding this peach color strip on all four sides. And then I am decorating the front and back using pattern paper and also the roof. And then I am sticking it with the base, just trimming out the excess paper before sticking it. Like this, and the cute birdhouse is ready. Then here I am taking small piece of yellow color 10 mm strip, just making one pipe kind of shape. Here I am making the stand for the bird to sit. So I am going to stick this pipe with the bird house exactly in the bottom of the circle cutout. That is the circle window. So just add little glue and stick the pipe like this and allow it to dry. Then I'm starting with making the bird. Here I'm taking one strip of light blue color 3 mm and making one dome shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. To create the dome, I am using quilling mold. This tight coil is made using 1.5 strip of orange color. Again, I am making one dome shape. And the small orange tight coil is made using one strip of orange 3 mm. And for this I am making one cone shape using pencil. It will be the back side of the bird, that is the tail part. I am just twisting it little bit. Add glue inside all the shapes. And then I'm joining all three shapes together to construct the bird. Then to create wings, I am taking one strip of 1.5 mm off-white color and making one bended teardrop shape. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip. You can directly use 2 mm strip if you have. So wing is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more wing, and now I'm sticking these wings with the bird. Then I'm sticking the beak, which is made using 1/8 strip of orange color, 1.5 mm. This is also a cone shape. And for the eyes, I'm adding two tiny black colored circles, which are made using 2 mm hole punch machine. The cute bird is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. I have added some small 4 tiny strips for the hair of the bird, so you can do as your choice. So birds are ready. Now I'm starting with making the paper flowers. Here I'm taking 2 small dies of daisy flowers and cutting 2 layers of 120 GSM soft floral oriental paper using my easy cuts machine. So in one go I have cut 4 flowers. I'm just separating these flowers, and the flower cutouts are done. Then to color these flowers I am using Archival ink in red color. I'm just coloring it from the center only. Then adding little water on top of this. Soak the excess water using tissue paper. Then taking my embossing pad and groove golf tool, I have already prepared some flowers. From back side I'm shaping it using groove golf tool in small size like this. And for the smaller flowers I am using small size ball tool. Now rotate these flowers and pinch it exactly in the center using ball tools. I am adding 2 layers together to make one flower and adding white color flower pearls in the center of each flower. So flowers are ready, some in big size and some in small sizes. Also I have cut some leaves. Then taking back my bird house, first I'm sticking one bird on top of this stick and I will add one bird in the bottom. Like this. Then I'm going to decorate one side of the roof and one corner of the birdhouse using my handmade flowers and some leaves. And this is done. This is looking super duper pretty. Now just to decorate the roof little bit more, I am adding this beautiful golden cutout on the edge of the roof. Similarly, I have added one more decorative design on other side of the roof. And then only for the edge I am decorating this using small size half cut pearls. These are 3 mm white color half pearls. So this is done and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now on the back side of this I am sticking one magnet. I have already added B6000 glue with this You can also use B7000 glue, sticking it exactly in the center and allow it to dry for few minutes. And ta-da! The super cute miniature birdhouse with these lovely paper quilling birds fridge magnet is ready. You can also use this as a showpiece. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And guys, please do not forget to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.